Most French learners get this wrong. Is it une chemise bleue or une chemise bleue? If you're hesitating right now, that's completely normal. But by the end of this video, you won't hesitate anymore.
Bonjour et bienvenue.
Today, you're going to learn how to use colors correctly in French, so you can sound natural in real conversations. Let's start with a simple rule. Colors change to match the noun. Let's test that. Un t-shirt bleu. Why bleu? Because t-shirt is masculine. Now listen carefully. Une chemise bleue. Now these two actually sound the same, bleu and bleu. The difference is in the writing, not the pronunciation. That's why knowing the gender of the noun is so important. Des t-shirts bleus. Des chemises bleues. So here's the pattern. Add an E for feminine. Add an S for plural. Think you've got it? Let's try another one. Same rule, new color, vert. Un sac, vert. Une pomme, verte. And notice it's not just the spelling that changes. The pronunciation changes too. Vert, verte. That final T becomes audible in the feminine. Listen again. Vert, verte. Des sacs, vert. Des pommes, verte. Same pattern every time. This is how you describe things in French. Your clothes, objects, even people. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some colors break the rules completely, and honestly, what kind of French lesson would this be without a few exceptions? These are called les adjectifs invariables, invariable adjectives. Don't worry about memorizing the term, but it's handy to know if you ever come across it in a grammar book or online. So, what makes a color invariable? These colors actually started as nouns, not adjectives, and because of that, they never change. No E, no S, no agreement at all. Let's look at a few. Orange. This color takes its name directly from the fruit. Une orange, the fruit, la couleur orange, the color. Marron, named after the chestnut. Un marron is a chestnut, and the deep reddish brown of that chestnut became the color. Turquoise, named after the gemstone. The stone came first, and the color followed. Because they came from nouns, they stay as nouns. They never change. Listen. Une robe marron. Des t-shirts orange. Un sac turquoise. The color stays exactly the same every time. Now, one thing that trips people up, not every color that ends in E is invariable. Take rouge. It doesn't change for gender, un manteau rouge, une robe rouge, but it does add an S in the plural. Des manteaux rouges. Des robes rouges. Same with jaune. Une robe jaune, des robes jaunes. So rouge and jaune follow the normal plural rule. They are not les adjectifs invariables. The truly invariable colors are the ones that came from nouns, like orange, marron, and turquoise. I'll put a full list in the description below so you can save it for reference. At this point, you already know more than most learners about French colors. Let's quickly recap. Rule 1. Colors agree with the noun. Add an E for feminine. And sometimes, like with vert, the pronunciation changes too. Rule 2. Add an S for plural. Rule 3. Les adjectifs invariables, like orange, marron, and turquoise, never change because they came from nouns, not adjectives. Now you can confidently say, Une chemise bleue. Un sac vert. Des chaussures marron. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple and practical French lessons. Merci et à bientôt.